Everything you need to build a great customer experience.
Hello everyone, welcome back to WISPGate. In this video, we're diving into the ACS server module in WISPGate, your all-in-one command center for managing TR069 devices. Whether you're an ISP or a network admin, this tool gives you full control over device onboarding, remote configuration, and real-time monitoring, all from one place. If you're ready to simplify your workflow and scale device management like a pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the ACS server settings. This is where you can manage the connection between your devices and the Auto Configuration Server, or ACS for short. It's crucial for enabling remote provisioning, firmware upgrades, and device monitoring. First things first, make sure ACS is enabled. To be able to work with the ACS module, go to System Management and scroll down to the Integration section. There, click on ACS Server. In the settings that appear, choose Enabled or Disabled. Enter the ACS server address, username, and password. Then hit Save to apply the configuration. Now, let's go over the configuration options you'll encounter here. First up, the ACS Enabled toggle. This is where you'll choose whether or not to integrate ACS with your device. When set to Yes, your device will automatically attempt to connect with the ACS server. Next, the ACS server address field. This is where you enter the URL of your ACS server. Make sure you include the protocol, either HTTP or HTTPS, along with the domain or IP address. And don't forget the port number. For authentication, you'll need to provide a username and password for the ACS server if basic authentication is required. On the ACS dashboard, you'll get an at-a-glance view of your network's TR069 devices. Here's a quick breakdown of the key metrics you'll see. Total devices shows the total number of devices connected or previously connected to your ACS server. Online devices indicates how many devices are actively communicating with the server. Online in past 24 hours tracks devices that communicated with the server recently. Configured today gives insight into how many devices were provisioned or configured on the current day. Next, let's talk about provisioning, which helps automate how devices are configured and managed through ACS. This system allows you to streamline onboarding, firmware updates, parameter configuration, and service activations. Click on Provisioning and then hit Add Provisioning to get started. Here, you can assign a name for your provisioning rule, add the necessary scripts, and hit Save. Two provisioning states are important to keep an eye on. If a device is provisioned, it means it's been successfully connected and set up. If it's unprovisioned, that means the device is not yet connected or configured with WISPGate. Presets are a versatile and powerful feature designed to automate device management and configuration. They enable administrators to define condition-based actions that are executed automatically, allowing for scalable, hands-free control over a large number of devices. Presets can be used to push configurations, trigger provision scripts, or schedule routine maintenance tasks. They help ensure consistency, reduce manual effort, and improve the efficiency of network management. You'll see fields like preset name, weight, precondition, configuration name, and configuration value. Just fill those in. Finally, hit Save, and that's it. The Discovered Devices interface gives you a comprehensive view of all the TR069 enabled devices on your network. This includes important metadata such as manufacturer, serial number, and last seen timestamps. You can easily search for devices by serial number or model and perform batch operations using checkboxes. The File tab allows you to manage ACS-related files. This is where you can upload configuration templates, firmware, or provisioning scripts used for device management. Once you upload a file, it's stored for easy access and can be applied across multiple devices. To upload a new file, go to the File section at the top right and click Upload File. Start by entering the file name, then choose the file from your computer. Select the file type, like firmware or others. Then enter your OUI, fill in the product class, and finally add the version. Hit Save and you're good to go. Device groups help you organize devices based on specific characteristics like model, location, or firmware version. This feature makes it easier to perform bulk operations and apply consistent configurations. To add a new device group, click on Device Groups in the top right corner. Then hit Add Device Group. Fill out the form with the group name and product classes. Then click Save, and that's it. Your new group is ready to go. All right, let's take a quick look at the action bar over here. This icon right here is the Show icon. It lets you view the device that's connected to this ACS. Next to it, we've got the Restart icon. You can use this one to reboot the selected device anytime you need. Then there's the Reset icon. Clicking that will reset the device back to its factory default settings. Moving on, this one is the Push File icon. It allows you to send a file directly to the device, super useful for updates or configs. Right next to that is the Manual Config icon, which opens up manual configuration options for the ACS device if you want to make specific changes. And finally, we've got the Delete icon. As you'd expect, this one lets you delete the selected device or its configuration. And that's a wrap. Enjoy your WISPGate configuration.